Welcome to this sacred space. Here, you are invited to embrace the love you hold for yourself. Start by sitting or lying comfortably, closing your eyes, and bringing your awareness to your breath. Breathe deeply in and exhale slowly. With each breath, feel your body soften, your heart open. You are worthy of love, just as you are, right here, right now. Repeat softly to yourself, I am worthy of love. Feel the warmth of those words in your heart. Allow this self-love to grow, gently wrapping you in a sense of acceptance. You deserve your own kindness, your own care, your own compassion. Take a deep breath in exhale slowly. Know that you are enough. You are loved. You are worthy. Talk to you. I accept this self-love. I deserve my own kindness. I take care of me. I have compassion for me. I'm my best friend. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. And know that you are enough. You are loved. Just one more deep breath. Exhale slowly. When you are ready, moving your finger and toes a little, slowly open your eyes. And smiling. Let these feelings be. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this short meditation, please like this video and subscribe. You can share a thought that you have now in comments. Thank you for being here.